Hi everyone, I just want to jump on here real quick and tell you that I have just shot a video about the Riverbanks Zoo and Gardens in Columbia, South Carolina. My husband and I went several weeks ago, and I just realized by putting everything together that I needed to explain something really quickly. You're by no means going to see all of the animals and all of the gardens that was in this wonderful place. I just took a few summary kind of quick review shots of things that I thought were really pretty or were really cute, and I thought they would make a really good video. But please do not use my video as a do all, see all of what there is to see at the zoo and the gardens. I just wanted to tell you all real quick. And I do want to make sure that whenever I'm shooting any videos of us out and about, that you understand that my husband and I took all of the safety precautions that are set down for COVID right now. I mean, we wore our masks, we stayed 6 feet away from everybody. We definitely did our social distancing and did everything we felt like we needed to do to be safe. Now, obviously, you have to do what's right for your family, but we felt like we were doing everything that was keeping us safe. So I hope you enjoy this video.
It's Friday, and I'm on fire.
So you're just walking along in the zoo, enjoying the wildlife and everything, and then this particular zoo, you just kind of walk along that pretty bridge I was just showing you, and you pop out on this little hill to go up to the botanical gardens. So we'll get there in a minute and see what it looks like. Okay, well, we are still at the Botanical Gardens, and we have come around to this beautiful sculpture of a praying mantis. I believe he's metal. In the garden, you have to go up this really kind of aggressive hill, and they have a little tram that would normally take you up, but it's not working right now because of COVID. And so it's really, really pretty up here. There's not a lot of people up here because of that hill, and I don't think that there's any other way to get up here, but it's just so pretty. I mean, there's just flowers everywhere, and it is October, so I'm kind of surprised at some of the flowers, but it's just so gorgeous up here. And other than the airplane going overhead, it's really quiet. There's a children's area up here too, so there's a couple of kids up here, but it's a really, really pretty garden. I would definitely recommend the walk, and potentially when the tram starts working again, you could ride the tram, but definitely a recommend. Okay guys, sorry for the squinting, and I'm not even sure if you're going to be able to hear me over the music, but this was an awesome zoo. We really enjoyed ourselves and had a good time. The only real negative I would say is the exhibits are really small, and I've been to zoos that have much bigger exhibits. You couldn't really tell whether the animals were happy or unhappy, so I mean, that's not really anything, but it's really well laid out. It's a very pretty zoo. The Botanical Gardens being part of it made it lovely. We did not eat anything in the zoo, so I can't tell you how the food is. They have a little gift shop, which is really nice. Most of the food places were closed, but we ate before we came, so it was a really nice zoo. It was definitely worth the drive, in my opinion, and I definitely would recommend coming. It was a lot of fun.